What advice would you give to new entrants in the market, especially young people?
Purchasers or agents.
These would be, let's say, both purchasers and
Okay.
agents.
So for purchasers, as I said, go and speak to an agent that knows what they're talking about. The way that you will recognize that is ask financial questions. You know, if I purchased at this, what would be better? Would it be better that I have a deposit? Are there rates and taxes involved? Which there will be. Is there levies involved? Get the information from someone that can share that information. And then if you've got a financial planner, sometimes it's good, it's good to maybe go and run that and bounce that off them and have a look at the numbers so that your budget allows for that expenditure. From an agent perspective, again, if you want to get into this industry, there's a couple of things. Know that it's not as simple and as easy as you might think, but that there are ways that you can enter the market. But at the end of the day, you've got to be a lot of hard work, sacrifice, and discipline.